Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I've been wanting to do this for so long and I decided that today's the day. So the other day I posted a picture and I'll post it right now, and I got such amazing feedback, and a lot of you guys have been asking for a while, and especially on that picture a couple of you were like, do a winged liner tutorial. And I've been wanting to do it for the longest time, but you don't understand my thought process of how am I going to make it easy to understand, easy to follow, and easy to interpret. And just putting all that together, especially while filming, just balancing out everything else, but I knew it was possible and I was like, I'm determined to do it. So in today's video, you're gonna see me demonstrate for you guys how I create my wing liners step by step. I hope you guys can truly follow this and take some advice and tips and tricks that I have. I'm just gonna quickly go over the different types of liquid liners that I have used. And then when I start to demo, I will show you which one is my all-time favorite, and a lot of you probably already know. The first type of liquid liner that I personally like to use, this isn't my favorite, but I do have it in my vanity and I do use it sometimes for videos, is the felt tip pen liquid liner, which I'm not too big of a fan of felt tips. You'll hear me discuss that later on, but I know Kat Von D has the brush one, and then they also have the felt tip one. So these are really nice, and these are good for getting that wing if you're having a little bit more difficulty with angling everything and creating a nice straight wing. This product that I want to show you guys is the BH Cosmetics waterproof gel eyeliner. So it's more similar to like a pomade, but it's in a little container like this waterproof gel liner. There are some though that really dry out. I haven't had any issues with this one yet, but this is another option. So of course, the other type of wing liner that you could do without using a liquid is of course with shadow. I know my girl Sandra Deluxe, she's, for me personally, is iconic with creating a wing and having it a little bit more subtle than that bold intense liner that I have here. It is possible with shadow and just with a steady hand. Like I said, you can use tape, you can use, you know, sharp smooth edges to get that nice wing, or you can take concealer with a flat brush to clean it up. Those are ways to master a nice wing liner. But like I said, if you challenge yourself and practice and practice and practice, you're going to eliminate a lot of those factors to help clean up that wing liner, just to make it easier and quicker for you to do one. Other type of liquid liner that I personally like to use, and I'm going to be using in the video, and I'm just going to briefly show you, but you're going to see more of it in the demo portion. So there's liquid in here, and then it's either a felt tip or a brush applicator. So it's like a 2-in-1. This is my all-time favorite. I've never had issues with it, and you're gonna hear in a couple seconds on why this is my favorite. So if you guys want to see how I achieved my wing liner look, definitely keep on watching this video, and also stay tuned towards the end of the video for the giveaway announcement. All right, so let's get right into this video. Of course, when I do my makeup, I would just jump right into the liquid liner, but I really want to show you guys step by step and make it easy for you guys to follow along. So the first thing that I like to do is properly place where my wing is going to go. Keep in mind my eye shape, and I have decent amount of eye space, so you want to make sure you place your wing at an angle where it's going to complement your eyes when they're open. You don't want your wing to come up too high because it's not going to complement and it's going to look choppy and it's just going to look very off. But then you also don't want to bring it down too low because that won't complement, but it also will change the shape of your eyes and kind of make them look droopy. But making sure that you properly place your line is key. And to do this step, I like to just go in with a brow pencil. You can use a shadow, you can use tape, anything that works best for you, but I find that a brow pencil does it for me. And I keep a very light hand when doing this, so it's not that difficult to cover up when going over with the liquid liner. So for this step, I like to kind of just angle and leave a little mark. I'm not gonna like completely outline. If you need to, definitely go ahead and do so. Be very careful with pointy objects around your eye. So I personally like to do my wing first. If you have difficulty with creating a wing, I would definitely start with the lash line. So if you can line your lash line with a pencil, you can do that, which is also easy. I've taught people when I worked at Sephora, if you can line the top part of your lash line with liner, start there. Then go over with liquid liner as like a guide, which I said you can use a pencil or a regular eyeliner, and then go towards your wing. So the liquid liner that I'm going to be using today is my Sephora collection thin brush liquid liner. This is my holy grail. I always use it in majority of my tutorials and it has never let me down. It's not waterproof, but it dries instantly and it's an intense black matte. I've been using this for years, and ask anyone who knows me, and if you watch my videos or see me post on Instagram or any type of photos, always mention this product. I'm up to trying new products, so if you guys have anything that you think can outbeat this, comment below and let me know. But we're going to be using this today, and always remember there's two different types. So there's the thin brush and then there's the felt tip. go for the thin brush. You're gonna love it. I'm not a big fan of the felt tip. I just feel like I have more control with the thin brush. Keeping a very steady hand. Now it's taken me a long time to have a steady hand. As you can see, I'm just gonna quickly stop here. Hopefully that doesn't mess me up. I use my pinky to kind of just hold my hand still. If I were to do it like this, my hand's gonna start shaking. Now I just realized my dot is very far out. I'm not gonna go the whole way out unless I really wanna make it more dramatic after I'm done filling it in. I'm gonna stop right there, but at least it keeps me in line with where I wanted to go. I'm just gonna go about halfway and start going down, creating like a triangle. If you don't want too big or bold of a liner, start a little bit further down and gradually build up. Me personally, I know the intensity that I want and that I get out of it, so I go about 3/4 of the way almost to the tip, but maybe a little bit halfway up from the line that we've created. I'm gonna start from the inner corner here. I personally can't go the whole way towards the inner corner because my eyes get super watery, but I can gradually go with it. So now I'm just going in and filling in that empty space within the line. So just take your time with this step. Now I am going to extend the wing a little bit more now that I kind of have a general idea of what I'm working with. I'm just going to go back over top, and this part you really want to be careful. So I extended it pretty much to that dot, as you guys can see. And then now I'm gonna close my eye and just make the line a little bit thicker. I'm gonna go ahead in and add some lashes to really complete the look. I just feel like with bold winged liquid liner, you really want something to complement it and just balance it out, unless you really just want to go for that bold look. These are the Lilly lashes in Miami that I'm wearing right now. Once I have my lashes on, I like to go back in with the liquid liner and just line the lash line again so there's no lash glue or anything like that showing. And I'm going to attempt to bring down the line just a little bit without irritating my eyes. So there you have my wing liner tutorial. I've been wanting to do this for so long, like I mentioned, and it's finally here. I hope the quality was good, and I have a giveaway, and I mentioned this in the beginning of the video, so I didn't forget. So here is all the products that I'm giving away for my 2018 giveaway. A lot of good goodies: makeup, skincare, lashes, hair products, you name it, I have it all right here. All right, so to enter this giveaway, in the description box below this video, I have a link to the giveaway. The giveaway is very easy to follow. You don't have to sign up for anything. It's just quick, easy clicks that you have to do, but there are some guidelines and rules to this video. So 1 entry per person. You guys need to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Comment below your favorite liquid liner, and also comment with that your Instagram handle so I can reach out to you guys and notify you if you guys have won so I can ship it out. I wish everyone the best of luck in this giveaway, and Happy New Year to everyone. 2017 was filled with such blessings, and I'm super excited for 2018, and I want to start the new year off by giving back to you guys. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, give the thumbs up, enter the giveaway. It's a week long. It starts January 11th through the 18th, so you have a week long. All the details will be on that link, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.